Competing on analytics emphasizes how organizations can leverage data and analytics to gain a competitive advantage. The book outlines the importance of analytics in business strategy, discusses the stage of analytics maturity, and highlights how creating a data-driven culture, investing in the right tools, and fostering strong leadership can transform decision making. The authors in this book provide real-world examples of businesses that use analytics to stay ahead of their competitors and thrive in dynamic markets. Hey there, data enthusiasts and business leaders. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking book that's reshaping how organizations leveraging data, competing on analytics by Thomas Hayes Davenport and Jeanne G. Harris. In today's world, data is not just a byproduct of your business operations. It is a strategic asset. And in this book, Davenport and Harris shows you how companies can use analytics to outsmart their competitors, improve decision making, and predict future trends. Whether you are in marketing operations or leadership, analytics can become your secret weapon to outpace the competition. So, if you are ready to discover how to turn data into your business's competitive advantage, keep watching as we break down the key insights from this powerful book. Let's dive in. First off, one of the most powerful lessons from competing on analytics is that analytics is not just a tool, it is a strategic asset. Davenport and Harris argue that the business that excel in today's competitive landscape are those that truly compete on analytics, not just use it as a back-end tool. Companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Google are not just collecting data, they're harnessing it to drive their decisions, improve customer experiences, and develop their business models. Analytics has become a core part of their strategy, helping them stay ahead in fast-paced markets. The big takeaway: data is no longer just something you look at after making decisions. It's a core part of the decisions making process. Next, Davenport and Harris breaks down how organizations evolve in their use of analytics. They introduce the four stages of analytics: maturity, descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics tell you what happened in the past. Things like monthly sales report. Diagnostic analytics dig deeper to help you understand why things happen, like finding out why sales dropped. Predictive analytics helps you to forecast what might happen in the future, such as predicting next quarter sales or demand. Prescriptive analytics goes even further by suggesting the best course of action based on data insights, like recommending the best marketing strategy for your business. Moving through these stages allows companies to unlock greater value from their data, ultimately leading to better, more informed decisions. One of the most critical aspects of competing on analytics is the idea that analytics needs to become part of your company culture. Davenport and Harris stress that data should not just belong to your data team. It should be embedded across the entire organization. Imagine, like marketing teams using customer data to improve campaigns, operations team organize optimizing workflows with data, and executives making strategic decisions based on predictive models. That's the power of creating a data-driven culture. The authors emphasizes that empowering employees at every level to think analytically helps your organizations make smarter decisions faster and propelling your business forward. To effectively compete on analytics, companies must invest in building their analytical capabilities. This includes adopting the right tools, hiring the right talent, and creating a robust infrastructure that supports data analytics. Davenport and Harris suggest that companies begin with strong data foundation. This means gathering clean, organized data that can be analyzed effectively. Once that foundation is in place, business can move on to more advanced analytics like predictive and prescriptive models. Having the right talent, data scientists, analytics, and engineers is just as crucial. These experts can help extract valuable insights from the data, turning raw information into actionable strategy. So, how to turn analytics into competitive advantage? Davenport and Harris showcase powerful examples of companies using analytics to get ahead. Take the airline industry. For instance, Southwest Airlines has used analytics to optimize flight schedules, manage pricing strategy, and improve customer satisfaction. All of these efforts help them stay ahead of their competitors. The key is to not just react to what is happening in the market, but to predict future trends and take proactive steps. By leveraging data-driven insights, companies can stay one step ahead of their competition. Leadership is crucial when it comes to driving analytics across the organization. Davenport and Harris argue that the most successful companies are those with executives who champion analytics and make it a priority within their strategy. A strong leader does not need to be a data expert. They need to have the vision to integrate data-driven decision-making across all areas of the business. When leadership is committed to analytics, it sets the tone for the rest of the organization and ensures that data becomes a central part of the company's DNA. So, what have we learned from the competing on analytics? Here are the key insights. Analytics is a strategic asset that drives competitive advantage. Second, companies progress through four stages of analytics maturity: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. The third is analytics needs to be embedded into the company culture for maximum impact. The fourth, building analytical capabilities requires investing in the right tools, talent, and infrastructure. The fifth is successful companies use analytics to predict the future and outpace their competition. The last but not the least, strong leadership is essential to foster a data-driven organization. So, ready to start competing on analytics? Please read this book. Hit that like button and subscribe and share this video with someone who could benefit from these insights. And tell me in the comments, how is your organization using analytics to drive success? Let's discuss and learn from each other. Until next time, let's transform our business with the power of data.